Hello again everybody. Today I've got a recipe for you that's really easy. You just need a slow cooker and some lovely ingredients. It's a classic French dish and I'm making my version of it that's super easy. You can put it on before you go to bed and when you get up in the morning it will be cooked. So I'll show you what you're going to need. Have you guessed it yet? Well, today we're going to be making beef bourguignon. It's actually a beef stew with onion and mushrooms and some herbs and some lardons, which are pieces of chopped bacon, and it has a whole bottle of red wine in it. My version is really nice, really rich, and it's really tasty. Perfect for a cold winter's lunch or dinner. So we've got 800 grams of stewing or braising beef. We've got 250 grams of mushrooms. Traditionally you'd use button mushrooms. They didn't have any today, so I've got big mushrooms and I've cut them up. Doesn't matter. And I've got some tomato puree, a tablespoon of that, a tablespoon of flour to thicken the sauce, 150 grams of lardons. If you can't get lardons, you can just chop bacon up. I've got a large onion there, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, a beef stock cube, and some thyme. So the first step is to fry off the beef. I'm going to do that in 2 batches. Don't want to overcrowd the pan. So that's half the beef gone in. That's sizzling away nicely. I just want to brown it on all sides. Meanwhile, I'll open the bottle of wine. Well, the first lot of beef looks nicely brown, so I'm going to put that into the crock. And on with the second batch. So while that beef's browning, I'm going to cut my onion up. So the second lot of beef is nicely browned now too, so that can go into the crock as well. And now I'm going to fry the lardons. And while they cook, a tablespoon of flour gets sprinkled over the beef. Give that a stir to coat it all. So we're just waiting for those lardons to crisp up and brown a little bit, and then it'll be time to fry the onion. Well, the lardons look nice and crispy, so I'm going to put those in with the beef. Put those 2 bay leaves in. And the thyme can go in too. I'm going to turn the heat down because I don't want the onions to brown as such, just to go translucent. So now the onion's almost done, I'm going to crush the garlic into there. I'm going to have to cut that one, it's too big for the garlic crusher. We'll put this one in first. Another garlic and onions can also go in to the crock. Let's give everything a stir. So I've put some butter in the pan, and now I'm going to fry those mushrooms off. That smells good. All the bacon and garlic and onion and everything that was cooked in the pan before. I'm going to put a splash of oil in there as well so the butter doesn't burn. Mushrooms are nearly done, so they can go in the crock pot too. So now it's the fun part. No, it's not to drink, it's all going in there, believe it or not. That will make a lovely rich sauce. And now it's time to add the tomato paste. Give that a stir around. And crumble in the beef stock cube. So, some sea salt. And some ground black pepper. A little stir. And now it's time to put on. I'm setting the slow cooker to low. Put the lid on. So that just needs to stay in the slow cooker for about 8 hours. I'm going to leave it on and go to bed, and in the morning we'll take another look. Let's have a look. Well, that looks lovely. Nice and rich. It's been cooking all night. Let's taste a little bit of the sauce. Very good. Well, I'm going to turn that off now, and then I'll warm it up later when we're ready to eat it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.